my name is Lauren and I'm from Advanced 5. And also I'm the star student. So today I'm going to give you a presentation about how to make a sandwich. So have you guys cooked a sandwich?
No.
Then today you can learn and you can try at home. So today now I'm going to explain about the ingredients. So first you need this much of butter. And if you are going to make only one sandwich, you can use 2 pieces of bread. But I'm going to make 2 sandwiches, so I got ready for 4 pieces of bread. And 1 egg or 2 eggs. 2 slices of ham. 2 slices of butter. 2 slices of cheese. And do you know what's this? What did you say?
Cabbage.
Yes, it is called cabbage. And last, I'm going to use a sauce that is whole grain mustard. But if you have another sauce, you can use that too. So now I'm going to explain you how to make a sandwich. So first turn on the stove.
And put the butter in the...
And now I'm going to melt the butter. Do you guys like this smell? Of butter melting? So after the butter melted, I'm going to put 4 pieces of bread. So put the bread on the butter like this and flip the bread. And I'm going to cook the bread while it becomes brown. So next to the bread, do you guys like egg?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. No. Yes. Now. Now.
So I'm going to cook 2 eggs. I'm going to cook the egg well done. So do you know what's the name of this yellow thing?
Me.
You can, yes, what's that?
Yolk.
Yes, it's called yolk. So I'm going to break the yolk to cook the egg well done, like this. And do you guys like ham?
Yes. I don't like. I don't know. I like.
So,
Never eat a ham. I don't.
so next to the egg, put the slice of ham. Do you guys like this sound?
Yes.
Where did you hear this sound?
And
My
mom's house.
When your mother is cooking.
Cookie.
Do you guys like cooking?
Yes.
What?
No. It's kind of hard.
Yes. So if the egg is ready, you can flip it like this. What things can you cook at home? Oh.
Then my mother.
Yes. Oh.
Nothing.
Pizza.
Oh.
Cookie. Oh, me too.
So if
I can do it anything.
So if the foods are ready, you can turn off the stove and put the bread on the plate. Like this, and put an egg on the bread. And next, put the ham
And cabbage.
like this, and then do you guys like cheese?
Yes.
Then put
No.
the if you don't like it, you don't need to put it, but I'm going to put the cheese on the ham. So the cheese is going to melt because the ham is hot.
How hot is the ham is?
And put some cabbage. Do you guys like this vegetable, like cabbage?
Yes.
And next and last, put the sauce on the cabbage. Like this. And put the bread on it. And the sandwich is ready. You can just eat this sandwich like this, but I'm going to cut it in 4 pieces. So do you want to try this sandwich?
Yes.
Then can you line up like there?
If you don't want to try, you can stay out of the line.
I think it's too hot. I know it's hot. Very hot.
Terry, you're not going to try? Terry? You're not going to try?
You can take 1 piece. It's hot.
Are you
And
You can sit down and eat it. How is it?
Good.
Is it good?
And there's more. Next. Someone else can eat one.
Yes.
Can I eat 2 of them?
No, you can only take 1. So you can get 1 piece. Is it good? So you can try at home if you want. And this was all my presentation, and thank you for listening.